Good morning, Keri. We're going to talk about decimals. So, we're going to talk about adding decimals. Do you remember us going over decimals last week?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. So, today we're going to be talking about adding decimals. So, we know that this is a decimal because it's part of a whole number, right? So, now we're going to take two decimals and we're going to add them together. And it's just like a normal adding problem. So you're going to take your 5 and you're going to add that to 3. Do you know what 5 plus 3 is?
8.
Okay. So you take your 8, and then we're going to do 2 plus 2, which is easy, and that's 4. But now it's where it's getting confusing because there's the decimals that you have to place. And with the decimals, all you do is you bring the decimals right back down to where they are. So they are all lined up just like that. You can draw a little arrow if it helps you. And then 0 plus 0 is what?
0.
0. All right. So that's how you add decimals. We'll do one more. Let's do 0.12 plus 0.23. All right. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Now what's 1 plus 2?
3.
Okay. Now what am I going to do with these decimals right here?
I think you bring them down.
Yep, you're going to bring them all the way down here, and then you're going to put it there, and 0 plus 0 is nothing. So now, we're going to talk about using decimals. We're going to use money to help you learn how to add decimals. We talked about money values. So we're going to first talk about what's the value of a penny. Do you remember what that is? How would we write that as a decimal? A penny is what?
A penny is 0.01.
Right, because it's only 1. So there's your penny. All right, and now we're going to talk about a nickel. And that is 0.05. Am I right?
Yes.
All right, so there's your nickel. And then the next one up would be a dime. And how much is that, Keri?
A dime is 0.10.
Good. All right, and last we have a quarter, which is your biggest coin that we have, and that is 0.25. So using all of these coins, they will help you add up decimals. Because are these all decimals?
Yes.
Okay. So now you can use your money to add with your decimals. So if I had...
I get it.
So we have, good. So we have 0.10, and we're going to add 0.05. Now, what coin can we use to be 0.110, or 0.10, sorry?
0.110 is the dime.
That's the dime, right? So we can have, so you're going to take your dime, and I'll draw one for you. You're going to take a dime, and you're just going to put it over here. Okay. And then we have the 0.05. What coin would that be?
I think that's the nickel.
Yeah, that's the nickel, right? So, and then, so this is our dime, and this is our nickel. So if we take our dime and our nickel and we add them together, we add 5 plus 0 is 5, and then bring that 1 down, and 0. So it'd be 15. And a dime and a nickel, how many cents would that be?
I guess that's 15 cents.
Exactly. So when you add the coins together, then it would be 15 cents. Do you get how that works?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. I'm going to give you one to do all by yourself, and then we're going to talk about it and see if you did it right, all right?
Okay.
So we're going to do 0.25 plus 0.1. Okay. And I want you to write beside it what coin that you would use to associate these two with.
Well, 0.25 is a quarter,
Right.
and 0.01 is a penny. So I'm going to do 5 plus 1, and that's 6. 2 plus 0 is 2. Bring down the decimal point.
Good job.
And 0 plus 0 is 0. So it's 0.26, which is 26 cents.
Exactly. So we don't have to use money to add decimals, but it helps you to add the decimals because their money is like decimals too.
that make sense?